Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I'm filming a little cooking with me video, and come here Grammy. We're gonna be making Graham's homemade spaghetti sauce, and it's a secret recipe that I'm exposing to the world today. We're gonna try. It's not really secret though. I feel like everybody's kind of tweaked it. Well, this is gonna be like my first time making it on my own. Isaac's mom has her own way of cooking it, and Graham has her own way of cooking it. Does anyone else make spaghetti sauce? Does anyone else have the recipe? Carissa?
Carissa did.
Okay, our cousin does, so.
But I'm usually the one that does it.
But it's usually Graham who does the cooking. But yeah, Isaac's grandparents are staying with us this week, and it's been so much fun. She literally cleaned my entire house, did my laundry, is cleaning every single day for me, so I think she needs to come back more often. What do we need to start? Hands.
Sauce.
Oh, also, Grandma has on her exclusive Beach Club shirt today. Her exclusive Hello Sunshine. Isaac accidentally ordered the wrong color of Hello Sunshine, like our best-selling t-shirt, and it was supposed to be our coral color, but
I love it.
yeah, I know. It's very cute. It just wasn't what I thought. It's not our original coral color. So now we have like a bunch of these just sitting in our warehouse, and I don't really know what to do with them. So now Graham gets one.
2 pounds of ground beef.
Okay.
I try to use the leaner.
Yeah, true. We're trying to watch our figures here.
And this is 1 large onion diced finely, and you just cook that all together, get it all brown.
Okay, so we're putting a bunch of ground beef in there. We're hosting dinner tonight, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. Ooh, a little bit of bite.
It's one of those things that...
Crushed red pepper. Does this look good?
Not at this point, it doesn't. This is gonna take a bit.
If you had a YouTube channel, what do you think it would be?
Well, it'd have to be cooking because it wouldn't be bathing suits.
Okay, so the meat is going to brown, and then we're gonna put everything else in. Wait, what's potato peel?
Peeling your potatoes.
Oh, peel, yeah. Like the day that I make this on my own is the day that I'm like initiated as a woman into the Wilson family. If there's one thing to know about me, it's that I hate ketchup. I think ketchup is so gross, but it's a key ingredient in the spaghetti sauce, so we have to use it. Pretending that I'm doing the work while Grandma's slaving away.
Okay, add that can of water.
I'm gonna have the people ask us some questions for the YouTube
really?
video. Yeah, so we'll see what they say. Next one, what is your favorite thing to cook?
Probably spaghetti.
Yeah, spaghetti. What is your favorite food to eat?
I like steak.
Oh yeah. What would you say the secret ingredient is in the sauce?
Probably the barbecue spice.
Yeah, you can't really get it anywhere anymore. Our favorite thing about each other is?
Well, you're beautiful inside and out, and so precious, and have been a light to the Wilson family and
Oh my
the
gosh.
Snelling family.
You're gonna make me cry.
Yeah.
Always in a good mood. You're never not in a good mood. You always want to serve other people. You always want to do everything for everyone else.
I do like to do that.
Yeah. Oh, what's our favorite memory?
The wedding.
Oh, true, my wedding. That would be a good
I
one.
mean, it was just spectacular.
Someone said, do you cook a lot at home or do you mostly go out to eat?
Yes, we cook a lot at home.
And I go out to eat a lot, so. Okay, well, we are gonna let the meat cook, and I will get back to you when it's time to add some more ingredients. We are back, and now it is time to make the garlic bread. Of course, homemade only. So I'm gonna be following Graham's lead on this one.
What's it called, Grams?
Italian bread.
Italian.
Guys like that?
Yeah, try to
Oh my
get
gosh.
the same amount on.
Gosh, geez, Graham, you're fast.
I think I got it.
I'm proud of that.
Oh.
It's not exactly even, but it's fine. What is the key to marriage? How have we been married so long?
53 years.
Yeah, so how can Isaac and I, make our marriage last that long? That's
Don't
great.
be thin-skinned.
Yeah, ain't that the truth.
First time we met you, we all went to, I think it was probably Olive Garden, me and Isaac.
Probably Olive Garden.
You two walked in first. Grandpa and I walked in second behind you. Everybody was just...
Staring.
I looked at Grandpa and I said, I'm pretty sure they're not looking at us.
Gramps, what is the key to marriage?
Sleep in different bedrooms.
Who has a bun in the oven? Graham, what would you do if I was pregnant?
Or do you just...
What if this is my baby reveal? Bun in the oven. Not quite yet. Okay, I haven't given you guys a full house tour yet because she's not done being decorated, but new part of my house, which I love, is my patio, and I feel like it's kind of done, besides more plants, because I'm a plant mom. I can't really think of anything else that I want to put out here, so I will give you a little sneak peek tour of my patio. My kitchen is right in there. You can kind of see Grammy, and here is my little yard, and here is the hole he dug. Travi. Okay, he's got to go. So when you first walk out, rug, and then I have some of my plants, and this aloe plant, I mean, I'm just a great plant mom because this thing has exploded. It's literally ginormous. I don't really understand. I have my snake plant. I have my little hanging ivy. Queen, we love a plant mom. This is Isaac's thing. I let him get it because I made him promise that I could put a little like cover on it and like have meals out here with my friends if I want to. So we have a ping pong table. We have some precious string lights, which when it's dark, it's like so freaking cute. Another planty. And then I have our like outdoor furniture stuff. It's all from Target. So thank you, Heidi, for her Target discount. We love a sister who works at Target. Have another little plant. She's blooming. I just feel like it is so cute and it makes me want to host so much more, just like having a space that everyone can come to. I just love it. I love my little patio. All my friends come out here and we hang out, and my family, so it's becoming one of my favorite spaces. Oh, let's see what is going on in the kitchen. Oh my gosh. Put them away. He's like, literally, please let me in. Things set out, we got drinks, some forks. We went with paper plates because I don't want to do the dishes. Pasta water is getting ready. Gluten-free for Isaac's mom. Boom. Spaghetti sauce is cooking and going. Okay, so people are going to start showing up quickly. So now I need to light the candles, make sure everything is perfect before people get here. Well, this is the end of the vlog. We had such a fun night with everybody over. It was like the first time in a while that everybody has been over to our house. Graham and Gramps were here, we cooked spaghetti. We travel so much that it's so nice to just like have family over and relax, and we just cherish our family time so much. I hope you enjoyed my cooking video. Maybe there will be more in the future.
Like, subscribe.
Make sure to like, subscribe, let me know what you think, and I will see you next week.